Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and you guys are welcome. How are you guys doing? Leave in the comment section down below how you guys are doing, because I want to know how you guys are doing. As for me guys, I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. I'm out and about today. I'm going shopping. There are queues guys. There are massive queues. It's not too cold today, which is good because I didn't take any jacket or anything. What I'm going to do is basically go in the shop with just my bank card. Gloves, I have gloves, but these are the ones I bought for my kids to practice for the art and craft. I've still got these ones. I may not use this one because when I come out of the from the shop, I am going to basically sanitize my hand. I've got my hand sanitizer here, and I have these antibacterial basically spray which I'm going to use. Okay, the queue is moving fast now, so I'm going to go inside and I will see you guys when I get there. Wish me luck guys. I don't want to go with my purse because then that means I have to touch the bag. I'm transferring things around if I'm touching a lot of stuff, but I'm not going to go with a hand glove, to be honest. So I know I can wash my hands when I come back, because hand gloves, if you don't use it properly, you still spread the infection basically. Anyway guys, I will let you guys know how it is inside, and when I come back I also have to wipe my phone. I am filming with my phone guys, so let's see guys. The reason I'm wearing hood is basically when I get home I'm gonna take off everything and put in the washing basically. And this guys is I'll show you, hold on, it's not a face mask, it's an eye mask basically, which I'm using as my face mask. You have to protect yourself because there is no face masks. I ordered some glove from Amazon, and I got a text from Royal Mail saying that you have a package from China, and I'm like, I didn't know it was from China. I just ordered it. I didn't look at I didn't look at who the company was. So basically I don't think I'm gonna pick up that parcel. Royal Mail, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna pick up that parcel. I know you guys don't watch my vlog, so that's fine. So guys, that's my glove. I may not use it, but the queue is coming down, so wish me luck guys. I don't know if you guys can see, everyone is just standing far basically from each other because we must practice social distancing. Okay guys, we are all standing 2 meters apart. I didn't come with a jacket, but luckily the sun is out and it's not too cold. This is what I've got on, just tights and my hooded top. And this is going to go straight into the machine when I get home, just to help basically protect myself. The people in the queue with mask and everything and hand gloves, but what I've got here is my bank card in my pocket here, and my car keys and my shopping list basically, and that's basically about it. Okay guys, I lied. I'm feeling cold now, even though the sun is out here, but it's cold. But I am super cold. I'm hoping I can get a trolley.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, now I've been here for like 20 minutes and it's getting cold. I am super cold, but let's see. I hope I get in soon, because even though the sun is shining, it's super cold. Super cold. One kind of cold breeze just up here now, I don't know, but it's cold, it's getting cold.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see Beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs.
Get out. What? It is a full shot,
And
guys.
even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
And on the floor there are lines on where I won't have to wait, like basically 6 meters apart. As you can see, I think it's basically the best you could do anyway. Right. We need some sanitaries. Look at these. Well, we can't use them for anywhere. My kids will love these. These are nice. It's only £29. Sorry, no, £24. Oh wow. I think they're lovely. You know, I think they're beautiful. And they come in various colors. Wow. The ones I bought a while ago were more expensive, but we're on lockdown, so we can't really use them anyway. Oh dear. Okay. I saw this. Just want to try it. I haven't tried it before. Something new. But let's see. Let's see.
It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some
I'm done now.
time, but I know that beauty lives in me. Gonna take some time. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust.
Hey guys, I'm going to just wipe my steering, my door handle with this antibacterial cleaner. Okay guys, I have finished shopping and luckily I got everything I needed, although they're still limited to buying 4 items or sometimes 2 per customer, which in my opinion I would say that's great. They you have to basically stand 2 meters apart when paying, which is super great. You know, I didn't really use a globe in the shop, but what I did is I always take these with me in my car, and like I told you guys at the start, I just wore this hood and a tie, so when I go home these are going to go in the washing machine, and it's basically just to, because there are no antibacterial wipes, there's no antibacterial gel anymore, so this will help. I wipe these, I wipe my car keys with it, I wipe my basically my bank card with it also, you know, just to, because if I don't do that I will put my bank card into my bag with my hands, which may be which may not be bug free basically. Also guys, we use these basically to wipe each and every of the items before we put them in the car. Guys, stay safe, you know, take precaution. People might laugh at you cleaning your bags or each items, wearing gloves, wearing masks. Let them laugh, you know. We need to control these epidemic or pandemic or whatever it's called. We need to play our part in controlling it. You never can tell what people have touched in the shop. As you guys may have seen, some viral videos going out there of people who are basically purposely infecting others. So yeah, Anyway, and with that, I'm gonna say that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Luckily, the shop was full. Every item is available, which is good. There are no more panic buying, which is great. I'm not going to do a haul on these items because I think I just uploaded a haul video not too long ago, and basically they may be similar items that I bought, but let's see how it goes. I may not, but let's see how it goes. Anyway guys, I gotta go. Bye.